This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, April 2nd, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have one trough moving out of the country into Canada, another digging into the west, and this is going to produce quite a storm system over the plains and pretty much the eastern two-thirds of the country. We have a low-pressure center in southeastern Colorado. Showers and thunderstorms. Could be some severe weather down in the southern plains. Around here, we could just see some rain and some embedded thunderstorms with highs in the 40s and lower 50s. And it looks to be the case even Thursday as well. The low pressure moves to about Emporia, Kansas. Could see severe weather from about Missouri, about I-70 southward. Could see some snow on the backside. Rain around here, maybe an embedded storm. Friday, that low then deepens and moves to near Milwaukee. Could see some wraparound precipitation. It could be in the form of some rain-snow mix, or even some all snow, with readings dropping into the upper 30s to mid to upper 40s on Friday. Saturday, that storm is now off to the north and east. It will be sunny on Saturday, but it won't be a whole heck of a lot warmer, highs in the 40s and 50s. Then Sunday, another disturbance comes in that could bring us some rain. We could see an early day snow shower mixed in, but it looks to be mostly rain. Highs in the 40s to lower to mid 50s across the state. And then that moves off. Could still see some lingering activity here on Monday as the storm deepens over the south and begins to move up the east coast, with readings still likely in the 40s to maybe near 50. And even here on Tuesday, that low is up to about just north of Syracuse, between Syracuse and about Ottawa. Could still see some backlash clouds and maybe a sprinkle or two with readings in the 40s. You can see that trough is starting to lift out here on Wednesday of next week over the eastern Great Lakes into New England and the eastern Canada. You see another system coming off just off the southern California coast. And the cold air lifting out, warm air, southwesterly winds, bringing back temperatures in the 50s and maybe even 60s. So the next time we may see 60 may be about a week from now. We'll have to see. Going into the extended period on April 13th, we have a storm with some energy moving through the state. Another piece coming into the north and west. With this system overhead, that could bring a system close by with some rain. Better chance of any thunderstorms looks to be over the Ohio, Tennessee River Valley down to the Gulf Coast. Another system into the north and west with some rain and mountain snow there. Then going into the end of the forecast on April 17th, another trough digging in across the middle part of the country with some energy over Missouri into southern Illinois. And on the lee side of that will be another storm system that'll be swinging north through the Great Lakes, bringing some showers and thunderstorms in the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley. And on the backside, we could see some rain that could even mix with a little bit of wet snow. We'll have to see about that. Satellite image from last evening, we had the one storm moving into Canada, a couple of clouds streaming in from the west into the Midwest and Great Lakes, a couple of thunderstorms that were severe last evening in Texas, otherwise fairly quiet. The watch warning map from last evening, we had a winter storm watch. This is mainly for Thursday into Friday in far northwest Iowa into Minnesota and Wisconsin. Some winter weather issues in the west. And elsewhere, it was fairly quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall or precipitation amounts between about a half to maybe about an inch and a half, heaviest over southeast Iowa, with the heaviest precipitation not that far south of the state in Missouri and Illinois.